Welcome back, beautiful people. Welcome back to another video with KK's Kitchen and more. What a guan! Today I want to share with you how I prepare my fried fish and the Escovitch sauce. So stay tuned and let's go cooking. And here I have my sliced fish. I'm doing sliced fish today, and I have a banga mary that I cut in two. They have already washed thoroughly, and I am ready to season my fish. Let's go. And here I am using my all-purpose season. You know, this is what I make. You can use whatever seasoning you have. Salt and black pepper is good if you don't have any other seasoning, because remember, fish is forgiving. Here I'm putting in some Cajun seasoning, some black pepper, and I am going to go ahead and rub in my seasoning into my fish. Yes guys, I love to taste my seasoning right to the bone. So even though you don't have to put all these seasoning on, I love to do it because you know, Jamaicans, we love to season our meat properly. So here I am just seasoning my meat. I would love you to stay to the end of this video to see exactly how I put this together. You don't want to miss that Escovitch sauce, so you have to stay with me to the end. I am here now and I'm just seasoning the other side of the fish. I'm going to cover it up and leave it for about 15 minutes. And here we go. We are ready to put our fish together. In my frying pot, it's a non-stick pot, I am putting in my oil. Guys, I seem to lose the clip where I start putting in the fish. Nonetheless, here I am turning the fish after it is golden brown on one side. I'm turning it on the other side, and I am going to do this, and when the other side is finished, then we will move on. So keep watching guys, don't leave me alone. Keep watching to the end. Here I am now guys. It is golden brown on both sides, so I am going ahead to remove them from the pot. Here I am taking out some garlic that I put in the pot earlier to season the oil. Yes guys, you can use garlic, and I put pepper in there as well. You don't have to burst the pepper, but if you want, you can burst it as well. That flavor your pot and give your fish an excellent taste. And so here I am refilling the pot, and after refilling I will go straight into how I make my Escovitch sauce. So stay tuned guys, you really want to see this. These are some of the ingredients that I'm going to use. So I have a piece of thyme, I have onion, red onion and white onion, I have 2 Scotch bonnet peppers, carrots, different color bell peppers, pimento seed, and I have some vinegar. I'm going to use a little garlic as well and some brown sugar. So let's put it together. So after peeling and cleaning up all my seasoning, I am going to cut my carrot in strips, fine strips. They call it julienne. I'm going to do that, and I am going to cut up my onions in onion rings, and I am also going to cut up my sweet pepper in strip as well. So stay with me guys and see what I'm doing. I want to say thank you to all my subscribers, KK's family. Thank you so much. I appreciate you for coming through on my videos. I appreciate you for the gifts. I appreciate you for the shout outs. Thank you so much. I just want to say, if you are here and you are not yet a subscriber, what are you waiting on? Do well to subscribe, and remember, when you subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you can get my videos as they drop. And also to my subscribers and non-subscribers, I would appreciate if you become a member of this beautiful family. Thank you. Stay tuned for the rest of the video. Here we go now. We are going to, all the fish is finished frying and in a tray, and I am about to do my Escovitch sauce. So I am putting in about a teaspoon of oil, and I'm using the olive oil. You can use whatever oil you have. And I am going in with some garlic. Remember guys, I use a lot of garlic. You don't have to use so much, okay? And I'm going in now with some pimento seed. Some people call it pimento berries. And I'm just allowing them to infuse the oil. Yes guys, because we are building flavors now. We are building flavors because we want our Escovitch sauce to be delicious. So we are taking our time and we are building flavors. I am going in now with my carrot and my onions, and I'm just going to saute them for about a minute. I put it in the time as well. I'm going to saute them for about a minute. I am going in now with my bell peppers and my Scotch bonnet pepper, and I am sauteing. I am going in with some salt. Guys, the salt, your Escovitch sauce, depending on your salt. And here is a fun fact. I am going in 1 tablespoon of sugar. Do you know that the sugar maintains the colors of your vegetables? That's a fun fact. Yes, when you put sugar in, it will keep your colors vibrant. So I'm going in with my vinegar. And you need the vinegar just a little below the top of the pot where your vegetables are. You just need the vinegar just under the vegetable. Okay? And you're just going to leave it for a minute and you're going to stir. Because I want my vegetable, I don't want it to be too mushy. I am not going to keep it on for long. Because remember, we were building coming up. So I'm going to taste now to see if I need anything else in there. If the salt is right, because remember, if your salt is not right, you will not get a very good Escovitch sauce. And how you know you get a good Escovitch sauce? When you taste it, you must feel a kick of that vinegar, and then the flavor starts bursting in your mouth. That's how you know that your sauce is well done. So here I am now spreading my sauce onto the fish. And guys, the Escovitch sauce can use on your chicken as well. Any meat you want to put it on. If you're making a sandwich and you need a little sauce on it, you can do it as well. From my kitchen to yours, this is my fried fish and Escovitch sauce. Thank you for watching to the end. I will see you in another video. Stay blessed, walk good.